Hey foodies, welcome to Foodie Friday. My name is Keisha and this is my husband Daniel. And today we've got a few good melons for you. We got this big old gigantic beast of a watermelon.
This big.
And then we've got these other melons that are interesting that we're gonna try. Some of them, one I've had before, the others I have not. It's my first time and it's Daniel's first time too, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna try these on camera for you and give you our opinions on what they taste like. So I guess to start off, we're not gonna start with the watermelon. I always like to wait and save that to last.
Don't you want to get out of the way now?
No, I want to wait and get that one, do that one last because it's huge. Okay, so let's see.
And that's not?
It's two, yes. Okay, let's sit down first. Okay, so first we're gonna start with this banana melon. Now you guys, this is the first time that I've grown these this big. I've grown them a couple of years in a row.
And they're always good.
Well, we didn't like them.
No?
We didn't like them.
It's this one.
Yeah, we didn't like these because by the time they turned yellow and I harvested them, they were overripe.
Oh.
And we didn't care for them. But this one, I'm afraid is going to be underripe. Even though it's huge. I'll give you guys an up close look at it. We'll try to. It's just, oh, there we go. Even though it's huge, I'm going to show you on this side here. There's a split in it here. And then on the other side, there's another little split in it right here. That if I would have left it on the vine, the bugs would have started to get to it. And I just didn't want that to happen before we could try it. So I tried weighing this one. My guess is about 5 pounds. What do you think?
Yeah.
4 or 5 pounds?
Yeah.
So I am going to cut this crossway. Is that cross? But like I said, I don't think this one is going to be ready. And I did some reading up on it, and it said that even though it's off the vine, it's not going to continue to ripen.
Okay. It looks good though.
It looks okay, but it's supposed to be orange inside.
Oh.
That makes the difference, right? It's supposed to be orange inside, and this is nowhere near orange.
Let me prepare my taste buds. It's gonna be nasty.
There we go.
It has a smell to it.
Yeah, it does.
A melon smell, but it kind of it smells like it's not ready.
It smells almost like cucumber to me.
No, honeydew.
Like a honeydew?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You want a spoon?
Yeah, please. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Probably not sweet. Probably no flavor. Oh gosh. But I really didn't want to leave it out there and then the bugs get it. That's what's been happening with all my melons. The bugs has been getting them before us and ruining them, and I didn't want that. See, this is like extra crispy. I have another one that's growing that is starting to turn a little yellow, so that one is probably going to be our best bet. I'm going to have to keep my eye on that one. So,
How come you get a small?
I knew you was going to say that. You know, you usually complain that my pieces are bigger than yours.
Oh, so you're going to give me the bigger piece because it's going to be nasty.
So I'm giving you a big piece now.
Messed up.
This thing is very juicy, that's for sure though.
Okay.
So let's see. We both stalling. I don't know what to expect. It's tart. And it's very tart.
Very.
Well, oh look at my glasses are fogging up.
Because it's tart.
They're all steamy. I guess the tortoises will get this or the chickens. Because it's really tart. It's like eating sour candy. You know, the the sour candies that they have. It's kind of like that. It's juicy though.
You gonna have another bite?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
It's juicy though.
Not I.
Always 2 bites.
I took 2, kind of.
I
took enough for 2.
Okay, let's go with the honeydew.
Okay.
Okay, so next we got this honeydew melon. And I took this one too because once again it has a split in it. And
is it split because of overwatering or just because of the weather?
no. And once again, I didn't want the bug. I'm trying to finish my thought. And once again, I don't want the bugs to get to the melon before we do. I saw that. But to answer your question, splitting could happen because of overwatering, or not watering for so long and then starting to water. Inconsistent watering could cause it, or ripeness could cause it too.
Okay.
And this one I think is ripe. I'm hoping it's ripe. Yeah, it's hit or miss when it comes to melons like this, because unless they fall off the vine, if they're the type that falls off the vine naturally, then those are easier.
Okay.
But the ones that you gotta like press the bottom to see if it gives a little, or if I don't know. It's just, they're hard sometimes. And so I'm hopeful that this one is ripe.
Me too. Looks good.
It looks real good.
Sounds like it's like threaded together when you cut through it.
So I don't know which one this one was supposed to be. On the inside, what color it was supposed to be. It's just a creamy pale yellow. So I don't know if that's right or not. I didn't label any of these either when I planted them, so.
How does it feel on the inside?
It feels all right. If this one is not as crisp as the other one was. So let's see. Are the pieces more equal to you now? As always. Okay, so this one's honeydew. Oh, it's sweet.
It tastes good.
It does. And it's juicy.
Yeah.
Man.
Very juicy.
Okay, so this is sweet. It doesn't really taste like a melon though.
No. But
It's just all sweetness.
it's good.
The
I think my
flesh,
cousin.
the flesh of it is not bad. It's not like mushy or anything. It's the right texture. But it doesn't have any real flavor to me.
I think my cousin Sherman would love this melon. Based on that right there.
It's sweet. That one was pretty good. I'm not disappointed at all. How about you?
No, it's good.
Yeah.
I would eat that again.
That was good. Okay. Put that over there. And shall we already know we're gonna like this one. As long as it's the ripeness is good. Okay, so this one is the Canary yellow melon. Now this one is our favorite, our all-time favorite. I planted like 10 plants of these just because we love them. And we already missed out on 3 of them because the bugs got them. Yeah, you didn't know this.
Bastards.
2 back here and 1 up there. The bugs got them. So when they ripened or whatever, the bugs got in there. So I wanted to grab this one. I'm hoping that it's fully ripe.
It looks great.
It still has some green specks though.
Yeah, but I don't know. It might be a little early. I don't know. I'm not a gardening guy.
Oh, it's pretty on the inside. With that contrast of that yellow on the outside.
That looks nice.
And green on the inside. Now it's supposed to be, the other one we had was more, it had like pink or orangey color going through it. So I'm hoping that this is ready. I mean, cutting through it like this, it's not, it's slicing through like, oh, there's some juice. It's slicing through like butter.
Juicy.
So I'm hoping that it's sweet. If I took this one too early, I'm going to have to be more patient on the other ones. Because I have to admit, I was just ready.
Hurry up, gross.
I was just ready to try these. All right.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little underripe. And I'm only saying that because of the flavor. But the sweetness is there.
Oh, yeah.
It's very sweet.
It's still juicy, too.
But that one, when it's more ripe, it has more of a melon flavor, like a cantaloupe flavor. And right now, this is just sweetness. Yeah. This is just sweetness and juice, but not that cantaloupe flavor. Oh, man. I love it, though.
Yeah, that's real good. I enjoy it.
Even underripe is good. That one could have stayed out there a little longer. I'm just getting paranoid and scared that the bugs is going to get everything.
Good. Ow.
Not that one. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one because the ants were all over this one. Which means...
Probably
okay, so...
sweet.
This one is called Kiwano gel melon. So, and don't let these spiky things fool you. They are very sharp and pointy. Daniel can attest to that because it poked him and drew blood. But yeah, I wanted to try this one that the ants was on, because you know, anything that the bugs is going after, I know it gotta be good.
Hopefully they're on the outside and not on the inside.
I've never had this one before. Ooh, that looks interesting.
Yes. You might have to try that by yourself.
Let me show you guys. This is what we're reacting to. The color inside is really pretty, but the seeds, there's just a whole bunch of seeds and gel. I suppose that's why they call them the jelly melons. Oh, but it smells good. You don't think so? It kind of has like a banana. Kind of smells like underripe banana.
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
a green
does.
banana. Oh, can you grab a couple of spoons? We need spoons for this.
We gotta eat the seeds?
Yeah. He's looking at the jelliness. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not looking forward. Oh, I got you a big spoon. I'm sorry.
No.
Okay. Here, let me scoop it for you. Why are you looking at me like that? Let's see. I don't know. I've never... But you're supposed to eat the... I give you just a little bit.
It sounds nasty.
I hope we're eating this right, you guys. I don't see any other way of doing it because the walls on the melon is so thin. Okay, here we go. These, you know they're ripe when they turn yellow, so these should be ripe. Okay, ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my goodness.
Kind of has a banana flavor to it.
Like a cross between banana and kiwi.
I have to say, it's not bad.
When the seeds aren't unpleasant, it's just I don't like chewing on seeds. Some people don't mind it.
Chew on anything.
Just swallow it.
Yeah.
I have to chew everything. And get them seeds out my mouth. Well, I mean, it does taste like a green banana.
It does.
I don't know if you guys have tried these before. Let me know in the comments if we're eating it right, and if that's the way it's supposed to taste. I'm gonna have to be straight up with you guys though. It wouldn't be the first thing I try and eat. I don't really care for it.
I'm okay with it. Not that I'm gonna ask for it or anything like that, but you know, if it was there, we were hungry and we were alone or something.
You sound like me with watermelon.
Out in the wilderness.
And that's all
It's the
you
only
had to
food we
eat.
can find.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about it.
Look, Keisha, look what I found.
But I'm willing to try it. If I'm not doing this right, let me know. I'm willing to try it a different way. If there's a different, better way that you guys know how to eat this. So, okay, we'll put that aside. We'll throw those in there. And last, but definitely not, oh, I missed. Definitely not least. Okay, so last we have this
Goliath.
big old watermelon. This thing is huge, you guys. Okay, so I weighed this, and as per Daniel, he says, for you guys to put your guesses down in the comments below how heavy you think this is. This thing, it's got some weight to it. Put your guesses in the comments. This guy is a rattlesnake, Georgia rattlesnake watermelon. And these can get really, really big.
Bigger than this?
This is the biggest watermelon I've grown. Well, with the exception of the one that's still on the vine outside,
Yeah,
that's not a rattlesnake. That one is bigger than this one. This thing is huge, like huge.
That means it's really big.
And I had to make sure that the tendril was dry. The tendril was dry, and it's got that yellow underspot there, but I don't know. It's hit or miss with these, and once again, I really didn't want the bugs to get to it first.
Right.
Because when we were out there harvesting these, let me sit down so you can see my face. When we were out there harvesting these, the other one that I have that's big, there was a smaller one next to it, and when we moved it, the bottom of it was ate out, and there was a hole there, and all kinds of maggots and bugs and stuff was coming out of it. So I didn't want that to happen to this one or the other one as much as possible. So, and let me sit back down. And a good thing out of this is, okay, when we cut that Janosic, the yellow one that we had, you and the kids was like, oh yeah, this is good. But nobody ate that watermelon. It sat in the refrigerator until it started withering and drying up, and I ended up giving it to the tortoises. So this time, I'm not gonna wait. This time, I'm not gonna wait for that to happen. It's like they were waiting for me to eat it or something.
No.
I wasn't gonna eat it. But anyways, so what I'm gonna do with this is, I'm gonna cut off a part. We're gonna try it. that piece that I cut off that we tried, I'm gonna keep and cut up for us. The rest of this,
You don't give it to the neighbors?
I'm gonna give some to the neighbors. To my neighbor Tony, I'm gonna give some to her and her family, and then the rest I'm gonna cut up and take to church on Sunday and put out there for people to eat for breakfast.
Okay.
Sounds good, huh? Because this thing is huge. Okay, now I'm gonna get up and cut it. Oh yeah. I just hope it's ready. We're gonna eat the butt.
So I have blood vacation.
Well, this one has a really big one. Oh, look at that.
Oh, not that many seeds.
Okay. Let me show you guys. Oh, there we go. That color is setting in so you guys can see it. Smells like watermelon.
Pretty soft.
Yeah, it looks like it's a little overripe, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a little overripe. Okay. Let me try and shuffle these around. Let me get this out of the way so you guys can see when I'm cutting on this. There's not a lot of seeds in that.
I said that.
You gonna complain?
You're gonna eat that piece right there.
No, eat this
That
piece.
no. You eat that piece right
I'm gonna
there.
eat this piece.
No,
It's
no.
fine. You guys, he know I don't like watermelon. That's why he doing this, because he know I don't like it. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. Oh, it's not mushy. It's sweet. Let me put that in there. It tastes like watermelon.
Nothing special. Just
It has regular watermelon flavor. Nice and crispy. Sweetness.
very juicy.
Yeah. I mean, like how you were saying before with the other melon, if it was a hot day and I wanted something sweet and there was cold watermelon in the fridge
Oh yeah.
and there was nothing else for me to drink or eat, I might pick up the watermelon. But you think you guys can handle this little piece that's left here?
Yeah. See, if Cousin Sherman was around,
Oh
he would
boy.
handle the rest of this. He loves watermelon.
Well, when he watches, I'm sure he's gonna leave you a message.
You're just gonna cut all that part out. Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in. So, anyways, you guys, that's everything. We had what? 3 of them were misses as far as like they were underripe, and 2 of them that were on the money.
Yes.
Okay. The banana melon, the jury is still out on that one. Because all the other times we had it, it was too ripe, and now this one was underripe. And I'm sad about that because it's so big. It would have probably been a really good specimen. But I got a smaller one in the front yard that when it gets ready, we'll do it again. We'll try that one again. And I just got to watch it real close. Because as soon as it turns yellow, it's too late. I'm learning that.
Or bugs.
Or the bugs get it, yeah. And same thing with the Canary yellow. And I have way more melons that are out there right now, different varieties that I haven't tried yet, that I am looking forward to trying. Well, we are looking forward to trying when they're ready. So hopefully there's gonna be more of these videos, taste review videos for you guys. I hope that you're enjoying the taste review series. If you haven't watched the tomato one that I've done, I have a playlist separate for that one. that you can go back and look at. Or you can go back and look at some of my previous videos of watermelon tasting or tolerating. Oh gosh. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments about that Kiwano, if we're eating that right, or if there's a better way to eat that. And what was the other one? Oh, the weight of the watermelon, how much it weighs. Let me know what you think, and then I'll reveal that down in the comments if when I get enough people guessing. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, God bless. Hey foodies, welcome to Foodie Friday. My name is Keisha, and this is my boo, Daniel.
You're gonna cut that out.
Yeah.
You should have let people guess in the comments.
Okay.
Why did it take that long for you to process?